In this video, I will show you how to adjust your calendar settings to change the times on your calendars. So on the left hand side, you click on calendars in your high level platform. And on the top, you click on calendar settings. If you want to, you choose the calendar that you want to change the settings on, and you click on edit. Press on the three dots there, and then let me just close this. Sorry, under this is the calendar that I want to edit. So there's three dots here. Click on the three dots and then click on edit. And you're going to go to availability, right? Um, and here you want to change this to the correct time. In this case, it's from 10:30 a.m. and this is from Monday to Friday, okay? So it's 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So you choose it on Monday, 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. p.m. and then you click on apply to all. So it'll now go across the platform to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Saturday, we need to change this time because there's different times on Saturday. So you can change each day if you need to. And Saturday is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Change that to 0. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So Monday to Friday is 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You just double check this. And on Saturday it's 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then you click on save. When you click on save, it's going to take you to the next screen and you're going to click on complete. And now the calendar has been edited to the correct times. It's as simple as that.